Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create typing effect in CAPCUT. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CAPCUT application, and as you can see, I have added text to my project, and I'm going to create typing effect on this text. First thing first, we need to animate our text. I'm going to click on the text and tap on the text, and we're going to add animation to this text. Go to the animations, and then you can go to the in animation and scroll down until you find the typewriter animation, this one. Then you can adjust the speed right here. I'm going to make it faster, so I'm just going to select around 1 second. Okay, and then we can click on the check mark, and we're going to add typing sound effect to our project. We can go to the audio right here and then select the sound effects, and I'm just going to search for the typing keyboard. Okay, and then we can choose the best effect for our video. I think I'm gonna go with this one, guys. No, I'm gonna go with this one. Click on this plus button to add the effect to our project, and this is the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create typing effect in CAPCUT. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.